Hi everyone, welcome to Rusalka Soap Studio. My name is Simona and today I would like to take you along one of the funnest projects that I've made lately. It is a oatmeal soap with strawberries and cream. To prepare oatmeal milk, I take 1/3 of a cup of oatmeal and 2/3 of a cup of just a normal lukewarm water, and I soak my oats for 20 minutes, then drain it, add it to the blender, add 1 cup of water and blitz it for a minute or so until it's super fine, and then just strain it, and voila, oatmeal milk is ready. Making of this soap came with its own challenges. Okay, I'll show them all to you. That big blob that you see now, it is solidified powdered sugar that I added into the lye solution after I've made the lye solution. So yes, this is the results of what happens. So take note, and it's not the fragrance that's setting up the soap, it is the oatmeal milk and all the sugars. So I had to plop the soap, but as everything in life, you just keep going. And I know sometimes when there is a little bit of resistance like that and a struggle, the soap will be even more exciting to cut. Now, soap dough with strawberries. I took some soap dough that I've prepared a week ago and I measured at 0.6 gram and then just rolled it into a ball and flattened or made the ball into a conical shape, just like that. Put it on a skewer stick and made the little indents to look like strawberry seed holes. For the leaves, I took some green soap dough, rolled it into a thin snake, cut off the little pieces and attached individual leaves to individual strawberries. The idea to make this oatmeal strawberries and cream soap came while I was scrolling down my Pinterest feed, and I saw all these healthy oatmeal ideas for breakfast, and of course I love strawberries. And in Paarl, here in South Africa, the strawberry season starts now in September, so I thought, wow, this is a great idea to incorporate it in soap, and then of course it will look cute and whimsical. Yeah, look how gorgeous this looks. I definitely need to go and make some strawberries and cream oatmeal for myself for breakfast this morning. According to the fragrance notes on Nurture's website, this fragrance discolors just like tan. So I use the fragrance to achieve the oatmeal color, and the white bits of course I just colored with the titanium dioxide to represent cream. And here it is, a cut bar of my oatmeal and strawberries and cream soap. I think it came out super lovely. I love the little strawberries on top. I love glitter that I added to represent powdered sugar. It's just soap that I can't wait to use it myself. Thank you for stopping by and watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Here is some photos, and I had so much fun doing this project. If you find it entertaining, please like the video or subscribe to the channel. My next promise to you is I'll definitely get a microphone for these voiceovers so that sound quality is better. But for now, enjoy your day, and I'll see you next week.